So yeah, today I had the most productive day of my entire quarantine, I can say. So basically, I started. My day started with I slept around 4:30. So yeah, first I'll talk about the night. I was studying at a night, obviously afterwards, after making yesterday's video. Then what happened? Suddenly at 4 o'clock, I just happened to visit this YouTuber After Morning Productions. Such great songs, I'm telling you. Like the remixes, the tune. Oh my god, I loved it. So there was this song, like it's a remix obviously. So it had songs like "Aankhon mein teri ajab si adaएं hai." Then along with that, it had this uh, Kismat, Kismat Badal Di that one. So yeah, like so those songs at 4 a.m. in the morning hit you hard. So that was amazing. Then so morning was great. Then I slept at around 5 o'clock. Then I need to change this, but yeah, okay. I slept at 5 o'clock. Then I got up at around 10:30. Yeah, 10:30. I got up. Had had my breakfast, chocos. Then had bath and all everything. So by 12 I finished everything. Then at 12 dot I started quants. Yesterday I had said I'll complete quants by 12 o'clock, but now I realized we shouldn't be setting impractical goals. We should be setting practical goals every day. So that is one major lesson from today. Set practical goals. So basically, but then too, today I completed modules. Yeah, two modules of quants. Now I am only left with counting, which most probably I'll complete tonight, and probability, which I'll complete after that. From tomorrow I'll have to start working with my DAs, and also I have to start studying for my unit test of VIT. So yeah, that's the plan for right now. And also the biggest thing, I started a workout session today. Like I started working out. So that was really very great thing which I hadn't expected. Like I hadn't thought I would do. So I'll tell you the backstory of this, why I did this. So again, when I was listening to these songs, I happened to listen to The Nights by Avicii. That song inspires me a lot. Like that is how I want my life to be. The song says it all. Once upon a younger days, all your shadows disappear. The animals talking wanna play, whatever. So the lyrics are great, the visuals are great, the message is great. You have only one life. Live, do whatever you can do in this life. Learn new things. Be more productive. Explore. Meet new people. Blah 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 blah. So that is there. And then so yeah, because of this I was like, I have to work on myself now. I'll be working out. So right now I'm not that built or anything. Not that. This also I have muscles, but yeah, still skinny. So right now what I've started is 30 days abs challenge. I'll mention uh, the challenge. There are 30 videos by some YouTuber, and he has given some exercises. You have to do it for 30 days, and he has said ki you'll get abs at the end of the 30 days. So this is new, something I'm starting today. So might be some days I'll be releasing workout videos along with this daily talks. So yeah, I hope at the end of 30 days I have my abs. Basically I was also thinking of joining gym, but coronavirus will not let me join that. Also, yeah, next another thing. Okay, after this workout, again I started studying. Uh, yeah, everything was fine. And then I started with GRE verbal as well. I learned 40 new words today. So my daily target is 40 new words every day. So in 1 week I'll be learning around 40 into 7. So 280 words. So 280 if I prepare for 1 month properly. 280 into 4. Let me shit, I am a GRE student. So yeah, 280 into 4. So halving, doubling and half method we'll use that. So this is I'll halve this and multiply here 2. So 140 into 4 to the 8. Again I'll halve this and multiply there. So 70 into 16. Shit, this is shitty thing. Okay, this is the calculator. Fuck, I'm gonna give GRE. Shit. This is simple. What am I doing? 240 into 4. Why do I even have to do that? 8 4s are 32. Yeah, 3. 4 to the 8. 19, 11. So 1120 words. Yeah, that was quick. This trick sometimes cause so confusion in your mind. So better go with your instinctive things that you have been learning since last 12 years. That is the other tip I would give for GRE aspirants. So basically during this during practice problems also I observed कि when I use these tricks it's really very difficult to get a hold of it, but yeah, like they are saying once you get a hold of it then it's easy, but I feel using the earlier methods is easy right now because I've been doing that since the last 12 years. Yeah, whatever. Okay. What else? Yeah, that's it for today. So about like the most productive day abhi tak in quarantine. Thanks to this video log thing, and also thanks to myself for doing it. So yeah, that's it. So I think that's enough positive energy for me today. At the end of the day, I heard something of airplane crashed in Kerala. So 2020 is a bitch, bro. It's fucking us hard. I don't know what is gonna happen next. I hope I survive this year and continue this vlogs. So yeah, that's. Thank you. Namaskar. Bye bye.